even though Yap is defending champion, Suto has played more often on table 1 in this tournament than Yap, so he should be used to it by now.
They're wondering what this is. This is the game of 9-ball. After the break shot, you're digging down. I presume he's just trying to squirt out of the way. Wow. Bit of a gift there. Well, I've said it at the top of the, maybe there's a little bit more gap. Now we see that angle. Still got to get this one right. He's drawing it back. There you see, how's the pace?
(10-6) this afternoon in the last 16. That was his toughest task.
Found a random ball a little bit fought.
Fine over the years. We've just seen him undercut an 8-ball. If he misses that thin shot, it normally is. That was a big hiccup.
Left side of the 3. Anyway, he's at the table, not me. Never missed a ball from this chair, of course.
But Carl, is that...
I did his very first match. I can't remember if it was with you or Michael. Phil, what's Jonas done here? Oh my word, what a start. What? How is the flick on the 8? This is going near the corner, but don't. I don't think this goes, because if it had gone, he'd have played the 4 a lot quicker. Spheres, the brand new ball set for the World 9-ball tour. This was as played, by the way. He's just relying on a bit of luck, but he made a good hit. He needs it to bounce.
It flops in. Fuller's lead now 2-1.
Smart.
Quite a tense start to the match. A couple of... looking to win his 59. Not had a breeze through by any, but he's an inspirational player. If he gets on a roll, edges.
Yeah, we're just looking at his opponent's name, Phil. Jack Beggs. That's kind of where I'm at. On the red 3 this time, pots the 1 on the 2. No easy pot here, so. Phil, I don't know if you've seen it, but Fine's missed it and left it over the hole.
Very much like the 8-ball he missed a little earlier. Thin cut.
Get away from you, you can fly up table. Yeah, smart just to underplay that shot.
He just keeps messing around with his wristwatch. Maybe he's checking to see whether it's his time.
Yeah, Mr. McMullen will not be clocking in tonight. I almost feel like this is a big visit for you, don't you, Phil? Just the way the opening 3
He was a big favourite. He remains so. But he would be the first to say that he's not been at his best. He's not been able to bring...
English, he's got to go forward off 2 rails and back. Yeah, could never really get close to 7, so... Oh, he hits that shot as good as anybody in the world. Just
willing me to make an absolute mess of the youngster's name, and I didn't.
No, you're a true professional, Phil. You're my idol. Suto straight in. Has he overdone his mark here? Well... Yeah, he was fine. He's got angle here. He should take the lead. Obviously, things happen. I know that. I'm just kind of talking.
Well, he's certainly got good memories of the... Another player, of course, this year. In 24, last year the Seattle Open and the Town V10 Open as well. Hasn't won a major yet. Quite close. And in this match, and from
another good break, trying to squeeze this cue ball on the purple. He's done it, you know. Remember what I said?
Is always, it pays to hit them.
Yeah, if you hit it, you might get lucky. Took a bit of a wobble, didn't it? But it was purely the pace he played. Showing 12 months ago, he spent most of that final in. Oh, nearly scratches. Is he going to get a bump here as well? Well,
apart from the pressure, no. Carl, best shot of the match.
it's a wonderful break. Look at this, Phil. How many times do you see it at pool? This is the
Well,
sport.
if he gets nicely on the three, he can remove it.
We were talking about the poor safety shot from Jonas, but it all started from the shot you pointed out. And if he'd have got the positional shot right and run out, it'd have been 6-2 up with the
consternation for Suto, and what's happened in this rack will do nothing for him to remove that. Trailing 5-2 at that position. To accept defeat.
Actually done really well there. Most pool players are horrible. I think you would have to say so, yeah. Listen, there's nothing like win. He's consistent at getting himself in the deep end though, isn't he, Phil?
Yeah, came very close to winning.
Just make sure you get past the green 6. Yeah, a couple of rails. Wonderful.
Winning Asian team in the Reyes Cup. Winning becomes a habit.
Just so happens to be a title I've won, Phil. Just throwing it out there.
And there's more to respond than I expected you to. I thought you'd be straight in.
You know my personalities.
Yap will be proud of this response.
He will, Phil. You're right. He really.
Suto's always one who wears his heart on his sleeve.
The line that goes across the table would be good. Yeah, you see how he's made sure he's come off this top rail. He knew angle was everything.
Almost a degree. Leads Jack Beggs 8-3.
Went for it, didn't get close. Still left Jonas. Well, he's going to need to because he's perfect on the 9 ball.
But it was the Lithuanian who in the end claimed the silverware.
I know we can. What is going to happen on the Yap break? Said it before and I'll say it. Well, that was an attempt at a pot.
By the way, Carl, my suspicions about Moritz Neuhausen match the other night was top-notch, and so is this.